If you're seeing Facebook error 551, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get things working again quickly. We'll start with the easiest step first, then move through a few common checks that often solve the problem without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes error 551 is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes to clear it. After refreshing, give the page a moment to load fully and see if the error disappears. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger errors when Facebook tries to load content or communicate with its servers. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data signal. If needed, try opening another website or app to confirm that your connection is working properly. If your internet seems slow, restarting your router or switching networks may help. Now let's check whether your Facebook account has any restrictions. Sometimes account limitations, suspicious activity alerts, or security checks can cause certain actions to fail and generate error messages. Open your Facebook account settings and look for any notifications, warnings, or account status messages. If Facebook is asking you to verify your identity, confirm a login, or review recent activity, complete those steps first. That can often resolve the problem right away. If none of that works, try logging out of Facebook completely and then logging back in. This can refresh your session and clear out any temporary authentication problems. To do this, sign out of your account, close the browser or app, then open Facebook again and log in with your username and password. Once you're back in, test the same action again and see if the error is gone. If you're using a browser, you can also try reopening Facebook in a different tab or even a different browser. Sometimes cached data or browser glitches can interfere with the page. Clearing your browser cache and cookies may also help if the error keeps coming back. And if you're on the Facebook app, updating the app to the latest version can fix bugs that cause unexpected errors. So to recap, the main steps are refresh the page, check your internet connection, look for any account restrictions, and log out, then log back in again. These simple fixes solve the issue for many users, and they're the safest place to start before trying anything more advanced. If you're still having trouble after that, it may be worth trying on another device or waiting a little while in case Facebook is having a temporary server issue. I hope this helped you fix Facebook error 551. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.